Welcome to Calcuquote here at SMTA International. I'm delighted to be joined by David Pascall. He's the
Director of Sales for Non-EMS Business. Thanks,
there
Trevor.
We go.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, thanks for joining us. So, bring us up to date then. It's about 6 months since we last spoke to Calcuquote.
Okay.
What's new?
What's new? Well, I've rejoined the company to help us commercialize outside of the EMS market, where we've done very well, as well as to manage our relationship with our supplier partners. We've got great relationships with component manufacturers and distributors. We are also rapidly building products and delivering those to manufacturers globally.
Right, okay. So you're keeping pretty busy. So you've expanded through adding a number of different modules to your software to basically create a complete supply chain solution. Can you step us through some of these critical modules?
I can. I think just to add some context, the past few years have had presented a lot of challenges to the electronics industry, supply chain shortages and the pandemic, so on. And so what we've done as a team that always thinks about manufacturing first and technology just as a vehicle to respond to challenges faced by our customers is we've tried to build products that thoughtfully help mitigate some of the challenges that have emerged in the past few years. One that we're really excited about right now is called Material Supply Planning, and or MSP. And MSP is designed to help with two problems. You've got manufacturers who can't kit, so that means they can't ship product, they can't commercialize, and they've got working capital tied up in inventory on their shelves. So what MSP does is helps you understand, what can I build today? What can I build if I go to acquire readily available parts in supply chain? What can I build if I cannibalize parts from other kits? What can I build if I change my delivery schedule? And so you're optimizing your delivery schedule such that you can free up the working capital, such that you can ship product much more quickly.
Right, and that's a really useful tool, because I mean, the alternative is, of course, to redesign the board, which is costly and time consuming. So having a software system that can say, well, you know, maybe you can't build the product you wanted to, but you can build this is ideal. Okay, the other thing, of course, is that a lot of EMS companies are sitting with excess inventory at the moment. You've got some solutions that have been helping to basically create a marketplace for that, so they can sell it, or if they're looking for components, they can buy them. Tell us a little bit about how that's been working.
Yes, so we do have a marketplace designed for EMS companies or OEMs to be able to trade components with each other. So if I've got this 0603 MLCC sitting on my shelf and I don't need it, but somebody else might, I can list that inventory at no cost on Calcuquote. We don't even take a cut of the revenue for the exchange. This is a product that's truly a service to the electronics manufacturing industry. Right.
Okay, that's really useful, and it's a big help to the industry. It really is. So tell us a little bit more why you've decided to go after the OEM market, because you're very strong at the moment in EMS.
Right.
Why have you gone after the OEM market?
So we believe in moving the electronics industry as a whole forward, and technology is a great vehicle to achieve that. What we've realized over the years, we've had OEMs approach us and say, we've got problems, and lo and behold, the problems sound not too dissimilar from the problems that the EMS companies had when we started the company almost 10 years ago. And so we've decided to pursue that market, and have been successful in doing so. We have a number of OEM customers paying us today, Fortune 500 companies, publicly traded companies, global enterprises, and we expect to add more in the coming months.
Wow. Okay, great. Well, it's great to see that you're always developing. Is there anything new coming out later in the year for you, Productronica or anything like that?
There will be new things, but they're under wraps for now, so stay tuned.
Okay, we'll look forward to it. Thank you for joining us today, David.
Thanks, Trevor. Cheers.
Okay.